5-year child or 90-year-old person, then everyone uses phone. And you know this thing also very well, that phone is very harmful for us. There are so many uses and misuses of this one. So, by this kit, today we are going to tell you the uses and misuses of phone. So now we are going to start. They both are playing the role of grandparents and their name is Mrs. Danpati and Mr. Ramlal. They both are playing the role of parents and their name is Mr. Siddhant and Mrs. Navya. They both are playing the role of children and their name is Ankit and Aarti. And last one, she is playing the role of Siddhant's friend and his name is Arav. So now we are going to start. This is Sunday and evening time. When Siddhant returned from his office, then he saw that his both children are fighting for phone. So now we will start.
Bro, please give me phone. You have been using since morning. Please give me phone now. What are you doing? What I am doing? I need phone. I have studied also and you have not studied also. You can look. I am playing PUBG. I want to study. I will complain to Papa if you not give me. You can complain. Okay. I need phone now. Give me phone. Give me phone. I will not give me phone. Beta, what happened, Beta? Papa, she is not giving me phone. He has not studied also and I have studied also.
Better is study time. You must study now. You must not fight on phone.
I have studied but he has not studied. Now I need phone.
Better you are my lovely daughter. You must study. I will bring a new phone for you.
Surely?
Surely. Go and study. Now he is going to meet his wife. Navya! Navya! Where are you, Navya? Oh no! Now I will have to find her. Navya! Navya! Oh no! She is sitting in room. Navya! Navya! Navya!
What happened? You made me fear. What happened?
What are you doing here?
I'm chatting with my friends. My friends are online.
Now stop chatting and give me food. I'm very tired and hungry.
Don't argue with me. You know the way of kitchen. Go and eat your food.
You should serve me. I'm hungry.
Don't argue with me. You can go. You are disturbing me.
Oh no, now I will have to eat food on my own. After eating food, now he is going to meet his parents.
Beta, what happened? How you became so early from office?
Papa, I have done my work in my office. That's why I came early.
Okay, wait.
Mama, have you taken food?
No, beta, we have not taken food. Your wife doesn't give us food. We have not become old, but when you got married, we have become old. And you may also see my condition. I have become so much things.
Yeah, Papa, you are saying right. That she is always busy in her sports. Now I will make her try to understand that she must take care of you. So I hope that she will understand me.
Okay, beta.
Now it is next day, Monday. Now Siddhant is going to his office and his friend Arman came to meet him.
Hi. Hi, Siddhant. How are you?
I'm fine, but you are looking sad. What happened with you?
This is my family problem.
But I am your friend. You must stay with me. I know that I will help you.
As you know that in this era, phone has become the family of members. They are not understanding the value of their relationship. And when I try to talk them, then they always say that I am busy. Don't try to talk with me. And they always say that my friends are online. You should not talk me now. That's why I am sad.
Okay, Arman, now I am getting late. We will talk later.
Okay.
Now it is evening time and Siddhant returned from his office.
Papa, have you got my phone? Where's my phone?
No, beta, I didn't bring your phone.
Why did you not bring my phone?
Because beta, I had so much work in my office. I didn't get time. So I was busy. I will bring you your phone tomorrow.
Surely tomorrow?
Surely, beta.
Thank you, Papa.
Thank you. Now it is next day means Tuesday's evening and Siddhant is returning from his office and in the way his friend Arman came to meet him.
Hi, Siddhant. Hello, Arman. How are you?
I'm fine and you? What's your problem?
No, same condition is going on at my home.
But tell me what is in your hand.
I have phone in my hand. My daughter was running from so many. So I will give this to my daughter.
You are on spoiling your children's future. You should not give them phone. You should try to make them understand that they should study. But you are not doing this.
It's my problem. I will handle it.
You will repent in future.
Papa, have you got my phone?
Yes, beta, I have got your phone and it's so costly. It's costly than your brother's phone. It costs 50,000 and your brother's phone costs just 7,000 rupees.
Okay, thank you very much, Papa.
But wait, beta, you don't have to be using your phone. You also have to study.
Okay, Papa, I have understand. Now I am going. Brother, look at my phone. Papa got new phone for me. Look, its cost is more than your phone's cost. Fine, it is my phone. I will not give you. Papa, what have you done?
What happened, beta? I am repeating what the lovely son don't weep.
You have given a new phone to Aarti. I also want a new phone.
Okay, beta, don't weep. I will make you purchase a new phone. First your result. I want your good result. Then I will make you purchase.
Okay, I will get good marks.
It's good, beta. It's good.
Now it is next day evening when Siddhant returned from his office at home. Then he saw that now everyone is busy in his phone.
Aarti, beta, Aarti. Aarti.
What happened, Baba?
Beta, I made certificate.
No, Baba, I am busy in chatting. You can stay to Ankit.
Ankit, beta, Ankit.
Yes, Baba.
Beta, please bring me glass of water.
Papa, you can look. I am playing. You can say to my mom.
Oh no. Navya. Navya.
What happens? Why are you crying?
Serve me food and water. I'm very hungry and tired.
Go and kitchen. I have served your food. You should eat food.
Oh no, I shouldn't have given phone to my children. I should have heard my friend. Now I'm repenting. Now what's the solution of this problem?
Now it is after 1 week when Siddhant is going to his office and his friend Arman again came to meet him.
Hi, Siddhant.
Hi, Arman.
How are you?
I'm not fine.
Why?
Because same problem is with me. My family is also not finding on me. They just vision their phone. They never talk to me. They never sit with me. And my wife still never care of my parents and children.
I said you that you will repent in future. Now same condition is going with you. You should have obeyed me.
Now I understand my mistake, but what's the solution of this problem?
You should snatch all the phones and you should make them understand that they should try to study and you should say to your wife that you should make them your children study, okay?
Okay, at evening time I will try this solution. Thank you, Arman.
Now it is evening time when Siddhant returned at his home and this was result day also of his children. Now we will see what happened then.
Ankit, beta Ankit.
Yes, Papa.
It was the result day. What about the result? Show me your report card.
Yes, I am speaking. Papa, look at my result.
Oh no, you got 33% marks.
Yes, Papa, 33% marks. I have passed.
Pass, you have passed, you have passed. What's up?
Papa, when will you make me purchase a new phone?
What? You have passed? No?
Yes.
Aarti, beta Aarti.
Yes, Papa, what happened?
Beta, show me your result.
Wait, Papa, please. Look at my result. I have got 60% marks.
60% marks. Beta, it's very bad. Previous time you got 98% marks.
But I have passed, Papa.
It is just result of your using your phone. I shouldn't have given you phone. Now you will want it. No.
वहीं आ जाना जहाँ पर जाए
Navya, what are you doing? Navya,
What happened?
give me phone. Give me phone.
No, I will not give you phone. I am busy in my chatting.
You're busy chatting.
Oh, I'm sorry. You should take phone. I have no need.
You never take care of our parents, our children. They are just past. Hardly. There was no solution. We are
समय जो है बहुत कीमती होता है, समय जो है धीरे धीरे बीत रहा है। मैं हरियाणवी जो नाटक है, लघु नाटिका जो लेकर आए हैं बच्चे, वो जल्दी से स्टेज पर आए, दौड़कर अपनी पोजीशन लें।
And share your experience.